As we explore some incredible recipes using dates, I'll show you how I made these delicious date-filled pastries, which is a perfect snack idea. So I'll begin by making the date filling. I have some dates here. Go ahead and take out the seeds from these dates. Make sure you are using soft dates. Once that is done, wash them thoroughly to get rid of any dirt. You can skip this step if you are using store-bought dates. I got mine from the market, so I need to make sure they are clean. Transfer them to a steamer and allow it to steam for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check for softness. You can crush a few with a fork, and when they mash up easily, you can say they are ready. Transfer them to a bowl and begin to mash them into a smooth paste. I began with a potato masher, and once the dates started coming out together, I switched to a fork. You can just use a fork for the whole process. At this point, add some margarine and mix that in. I also added some lemon to balance the sweetness and introduce a tangy flavor to the filling. Mix everything together, cover and set aside. The measurement of the ingredient will be provided in the description box. Now in a separate bowl, combine flour, salt and baking powder and mix thoroughly. To that, add some margarine and mix that in. You can substitute this with butter if you have available. Next, crack in an egg and add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Combine that in. At this point, you can see the dough is still dry. To get that to the right consistency, gradually add water, about a tablespoon at a time, and mix that in until your dough forms large clumps. You may need to go in with your hands and feel the texture. Your dough should not be too soft. I added 2 tablespoons of water to achieve the desired consistency. After this, fold the dough in and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. Now transfer the dough onto a flat surface and begin to roll it out. Once that is done, trim out the edges and shape the dough into a rectangle. Don't waste any excess. You can use it for other recipes or make delicious chips out of it, just like I did. Once the edges are trimmed, spread out the date paste mixture evenly on the dough. Make sure you get it on every part. Then fold your dough in half. Now begin to cut them into sizable strips. Look at how appealing this is looking. Transfer them onto a baking pan and brush the surface with beaten egg. Pop it in an oven and bake it for about 25 minutes or until it turns golden brown. These date pastries were super amazing, and the taste was just out of this world. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes. If you like innovative videos like this, consider liking and subscribing to this channel. Turn on your notification so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!